Hi everyone, my name is Navdeep Kaur. Today I'm going to talk about the criminology and what is the mean by crime and the deviance. And there is a link between crime and law, and also I'm going to talk about the different research methods. First of all, criminology is the study of crime, why people commit crimes, and how society responds to it. It's not just about the police or prisons, it's about understanding the causes, patterns, and the effects in crime in society. Like the criminologists ask the questions like why do people break the law? Are some groups more likely to be labeled as criminals? Uh, and how can crime be prevented? How fair is the justice system? Now I'm going to talk about the definition of crime. Crime is any action that breaks the law. For example, stealing or assaulting someone are crimes because they are illegal. Um, but not everything that's wrong or strange is a crime. That's where deviance comes in. Deviance means behavior that goes against to the societal norms, what society thinks is normal or acceptable. Like for example, wearing pajamas to a job interview isn't a crime, but it's considered the deviant. In some cultures, like the drinking alcohol is okay, but in other cultures it's strongly disapproved. So all the crimes are deviant, but not all the deviant actions are crime. So there is the relationship between crime and law. Crime and law go with each other. A law is a rule made by the government that people are expected to follow. When someone breaks a law, it becomes a crime. But here's something interesting. Laws change over time and from place to place. For example, at one time, mm, it was illegal for women to vote. In some countries, certain drugs are legal, in others, they are not. This tells us that crimes isn't just about doing something bad, it's also about how mm, those in power define what is illegal. Sometimes laws can even be unfair. For example, in some countries, peaceful protests have been treated as crimes. Uh, Moreover, criminologists use different research methods to understand the crime. Here are some examples like surveys. In this, they ask the people questions about their experience with crimes, like they are the victims or the offenders. Like in and the another one is interviews. In this, they talking to the people in more depth, like ex-prisoners, police officers, or community members. And next one is the observation. In this, they watching people in real life setting like neighborhoods or courts. And the next one is the official statistics. They using the data from police records or the government reports. And last one is the case studies. This is studying about one event or person in detail. These methods help the criminologists to see the big picture and also the human side of crime. So criminology is the study of crime, why it happened and how society deals with it. Crime breaks the law while deviance breaks the social norms. Laws are made by the people in power and they shape what we call crime. Criminologists use the tools like surveys, interviews, statistics to study the crime and suggest the solutions. So that's all, and thank you.